At sunrise, the silent king of the understory makes his move. Below the river's calm skin moves raw, coiled power. A relic of ancient lineage waits with still precision. Grace and stealth merge in this twilight hunter. Invisible currents of power flow through the river's shadows. Playful yet fearsome, these social predators rule their waters. Tiny, but toxic enough to command respect. A ghost of the forest, walking with silent authority. In every crevice, patient hunters wait for opportunity. Swift, sharp-eyed, and fearless in pursuit. Beneath the surface, precision hunters gather in numbers. Tiny jaws, capable of breaking the forest's toughest defenses. Its roar rolls for miles, declaring dominion. Many-legged menace, fast, venomous, forever hunting.
Silent wings and piercing vision mark the guardian of the night.
At sunrise, the Amazon opens its ancient world to those who dare watch. Here, giants cradle the first movements of the waking jungle.
Every creature, from the smallest to the swiftest, begins the day in motion.
Life here spins its own fragile architecture of survival. Color ignites the morning,
as vibrant wings drift through still air.